It is often said that students lose mark in exams because of minor mistakes. For example, they use a or an in wrong order, and that's the reason that I'm going to explain articles in this video. Hello guys, what's up? As you know, I'm going to explain articles, so don't miss this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments. Moreover, like this video if you found it helpful. At first, I'm going to start with the. We use the when it is clear what we are talking about. This can be because we've already mentioned it, because it is clear what we are talking about, or because there is only one of something. The example for the first one that I have is that I've bought a jumper and a scarf. The scarf is red and the jumper is blue. So we've already mentioned the jumper and a scarf. For that reason, in the second sentence, we use the. And here, I want to say something extra, but we have in this video. We use a or an when we want to mention something for the first time, and we use the when we want to mention something for the second time. For the second one, when it's clear what we are talking about, for example, we can say, let's go to the park. The park that is near here, and it is clear that we are talking about park. So we use the for park. And for the third one that I said, because there is only one of something, for example, can you see the moon above the roofs? It means that there's only one moon above the roofs. And also, we use the with an adjective to refer to who has that. For example, the rich, the poor. And also, we use the with superlatives. For example, the tallest, the worst, and the best. Now let's move on a or an. When we say what people's jobs are, we usually use a or an. For example, I am a nurse. He's a banker. Or he's an actor. We use a or an when we mention something for the first time. As I mentioned before, for example, the sentence above that I said, I've bought a jumper and a scarf. The scarf is red and the jumper is blue. We use a or an to mean per or for each. For example, my dad makes $1,200 per a week. Means that each week my dad makes $1,200. And also we use a or an when we mean any example of something and we do not need to be more definite. For example, is there a post office near here? And now let's move on. No article. We use no article to make generalization. For example, people need a lot of exercise to keep themselves fit. Because here we are saying something in general, we use no article. It means that we don't use a or an, and also we don't use the. And also we use no article with means. For example, have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner. Not have a breakfast or have a lunch. It is wrong. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope it was helpful for you, and see you soon in the next video. And also, please pay attention to these articles, and I recommend searching these articles in the internet. Goodbye, see you soon in the next video.